can't get...
Those are my kids. Those are my kids.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jenny. Yes, Jenny.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
do you think the blood will come out of my shirt?
Yes, I think the blood will come out of your shirt.
Busted lip, bruised face. Usually when someone his size gets hit with an airbag, it's a fractured face, broken neck, maybe worse. It's like the airbag was coming for him and changed direction. It's probably defective or something like that, but your son's very, very lucky.
Hey, Michael. Could have happened to anyone, all right? It's not your fault. Michael, what happened to your arm?
I stopped it.
It's funny, though. He tested in the 98th percentile in one category.
Which one?
Protective instincts.